Hey, buddies, Ashley here. Welcome back. And sorry if there's any echo. We're in the sunroom tonight, and if you hear any dogs bark, that's just the neighbors' dogs. So here we go. This is the crystal growing project we started yesterday. It took about 2 hours to put together. It's National Geographic kit versus the 4M crystal growing kit. So far, we are just past 24 hours. You'll be able to see a little bit of these. It's kind of hard to tell, but I'm going to try to hopefully not get the light. But you see the little pod in the bottom there? That's the little seed rock that was placed in. All of these are National Geographic. The purple one you may not be able to see all the way, except for the one in the middle, which is from 4M. The orange one seems to be taken now. Now the 4M has actually jumped pretty well in growth already, as you remember from yesterday. Yellow's moving a little bit. Nothing from green yet. And let's see, go around here for you. Pink has a little bit. Now the biggest things to remember with these is do not disturb these. Don't move them. Don't bump them. Don't try to move anything around inside the jars. Keep the temperature above 68 if you can. And if if it gets a little colder, it's understandable, but really try to keep it above that. And just above all, do not move your jars whenever you're working on these. And be patient, because these can take up to a week to 2 weeks to actually show any good growth. But as you can see from the 4M already, this one is actually moving fairly quickly already. So it's pretty promising. So I'll check back in again tomorrow and show you guys another time to see how they're doing again. And we'll just keep documenting until, well, we get up to about 10 days, and then we can get them out of the jars and get them all set up. And I will see you guys next time.